I'm Madonna Golson. I am the compliance manager, and I have worked for American Eagle for, it's going to be 10 years this year, but I've been in the industry with the guys that I presently work with for 29 years. My department handles everything from pre-qualifying a driver to doing the leasing for all the vehicles that are leased on, maintaining records of the maintenance reports, maintaining compliance throughout on every driver and every truck that's get their renewed driver's license physicals, their inspections, their registrations, to plating. We do all apportioned plates in our department. We do all the random drug testings. I'm also the DER for the company. We do all the previous employment verifications. Anything that it's into compliance is what my department handles. The best part of my job at American Eagle is to have the staff that works for me. My team. My team is awesome. Going from American Eagle to Bennett it's been a blessing. I have been through transitions in my previous and did not go as smoothly, or been with a company that one is God, it has a lot of God faith in it, and that is what has totally sold me with Bennett. They're cores of faith, family, and work.